Hello guys, Asad Yaqub here, and today I'm with two of my Sri Lankan students. One is Delaney. Hello Delaney, how are you?
Hi,
Okay, so she's come all the way to see me in Colombo, and I'm really thankful. And then we've got Krishante. Krishante is here.
Hi, sir.
Hello Krishante, how are you?
I'm
Good.
fine,
And
thank you.
look at that, she's brought me a wonderful gift, huh? And it's Sri Lankan tea, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to enjoy. Along with Sri Lankan tea, she's given me this beautiful appreciation letter, and I'm really thankful to you. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you some questions. Will you answer? Okay, don't worry. So tell me, what is your problem in IELTS? Like, you want to get your desired band. What's the issue?
I
Come
think,
closer.
reading is the most toughest.
Reading. Why reading?
I think time management.
You've got time management issues. Are you taking academic IELTS or general training IELTS?
Academic.
Okay, all right. So I would love to give you some tips. Okay, for academic IELTS reading, always try to solve questions like completion, sentence completion, true, false, not given. Then we've got yes, no, not given, multiple choice. I call them type A questions, where questions and their answers are in order. So when questions and answers are in order, you can easily find the answer. If you do them first, and the questions where you need to go through all the passage, I call them type B questions. For example, which paragraph contains the following information? Try to do them in the end of that very section. So if you want to manage your time, you need to manage the questions. The questions that we have in IELTS, never start according to the arrangement they have given you. Like first questions 1 to 5, then 6 to 9, then 11 to this. No, you should see the question type which is easier for you. Start from there, then pick up the second question, because questions are given in sets. One set is sentence completion, one set is true, false, not given, one set is multiple choice. So do the set first where you are very comfortable. This is how you can manage your time. Okay, and Krishante, what is your question?
I also problem with reading.
Reading is the reason.
Time management, and I take long time to find the answer.
Okay, you take long time to find the answer.
Sometimes listening also difficult with fast time.
Okay, so as far as reading is concerned, if you take long time to answer, it means you do not understand the question. Once you read the question gives you a clue where the answer is. And if you do not understand the question, you will move around the passage. Let me tell you, if you do extra reading in IELTS, extra reading is, for example, if answer is in this sentence and I'm reading this line, it's all extra reading. And why am I reading this line? Because I don't know where the answer is. So if you read the question carefully with good understanding, and answer is in this very paragraph, then you can manage your time, right? And then you can even find the answer. Okay, so for that I would advise you to translate some IELTS reading passages. Are you taking academic or general IELTS? Academic IELTS. So you need to translate some passages from English into, what's your language? Sri Lankan language, what do we call it? Sinhala. Okay, so sorry? Tamil. You speak Tamil, wow. So you can translate them into Tamil, and then you see how it is, and it's going to be fine, okay? Yeah, so don't worry, practice makes perfect. And you can watch, there is another resource, you can watch Asad Yaqub videos. They will help you, okay? That's going to be fun, yeah? You can watch the videos, right? So I'm so happy to be in Sri Lanka, and my students are great. I'm thankful to you that you came all the way. It was raining outside and she came, and I'm thankful to you that you came with your daughter, right? And you girls came to meet me. I'm really thankful to you for that, okay? Thank you. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.